Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you'd like to watch this watch or would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Zenith Defy Skyline Skeleton White Ceramics watch, limited to only 100 pieces. So you cannot get it at the authorized dealer and they're sold out. So yeah, you got to come to jazztime.com, but I guarantee that we'll get it to you at the lowest price anywhere online. The retail price is at $19,600 as the last time they had it on their website, but it's selling above that because it's limited to 100 pieces. It looks fantastic and it's totally sold out. The reference number is 49.9309.3620/85.1001. I'll tell you just a little bit about where it stands in the lineup of other similar Defys. Then I'll tell you about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet movement. Finally, try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start. The Defy Skyline is basically has the same shape and look on all their Defy Skylines, and they have a lot of different skylines. They do ones that don't have skeleton and that do have skeleton. Skeleton refers to the fact that the dial is not flat. It's skeletonized, meaning you can see inside it. They also do ones that are just flat dials. If you like this look, this integrated bracelet look, that's the Defy. And if you like that, sure. But if you want to have the more special edition, which is what you're looking at here, then keep watching this video and I'll describe it to you a little bit more. Okay, so where it stands in the lineup is that they took the basic Skyline Defy and they totally modified the colors and the materials, notably the white ceramic material used to build the watch, as well as the insides, which are in this ice blue color. So yeah, and they actually did two other editions of this for the there's a company that is making content. It's called Time and Tide, and they made two other surfer Defy watches that had this blue, not exactly this configuration, but I think the one was in with a darker blue with white accents, and one was kind of like a brighter blue with white accents. This one is in an ice blue with white accents, and the watch itself is in ceramic. So they started doing these other variations in 2021, 23, and again in 25. And of course, all of them are sold out. And this one, I would say this is the best of them all. There's three different kinds. I guess it would be called a trilogy, but this is definitely the best one, at least in my opinion. And it's the one that sells way above list. Not way above list, but for a Zenith, at least they have one watch that sells above list. And notably, and rightfully so, because if you look at it, you can understand. If this was an Audemars Piguet, it'd be like $300,000. And yeah, if it was any other brand. And it's not like Zenith is a bad brand. They do a great job. In fact, they used to supply movements for Rolex. So that tells you a little bit about the brand itself, that even Rolex was using their movements. Okay, let's move on. And now we have an idea where it stands in the lineup. Okay, you can get other similar ones, by the way, if you like this configuration, but you can't get this one. We also have other ones. I think they make another similar Defy that's also white ceramic, but the inside is blue. This one's an ice blue. They make a normal dark blue, which is not bad, but it's not as good looking as this one, but it's still not bad. It's they do make another one. It's a dark blue instead of ice blue. Okay, and that we have at jazztime.com as well. All right, anyways, let's start talking about the watch itself, starting with the case. Now, what can we say about this case is that it's all made of white ceramic. That is the first notable thing. And why would you want it to be made out of white ceramic? Well, because ceramic doesn't scratch or crack easily, and it's going to maintain the same look for a very long time. Actually, pretty much forever, so long as you don't drop it and chip it. I mean, it can still chip or crack if you really hit it hard, but generally doesn't. And there's not much scratching on it. Of course, everything can scratch, but not much. Okay, and the case size is 41 millimeter. For most people, that's going to be a great size. Okay, from my thumb to my index finger, and it's their integrated watch. Every brand is doing an integrated watch now. Rolex has the Landauer, AP has the Ro, Patek has the Nautilus. There's the Vacheron has the Overseas, and Zenith has the Defy. Okay, so there you have it for the case, and it has this sort of I don't know, is it octagonal or something, but the bezel Let's move on to the bezel, which is the next thing. It kind of looks like a Royal Oak. It has this octagonal part to it, but it has a circular line around it. I don't know. It looks pretty cool. You know, very angular, but still modern. You know, some things look very angular. I would say the Land Dweller, for example, is very angular, but it looks quite old if you ask me. But the Zenith really looks fresh. It looks like something that came out of a sci-fi movie, you know, that the main character is wearing and he came from, like, I don't know, Pluto or something. So it just looks really out of this world. And maybe that's why they call this watch the Defy, all right? All right, let's move on here and look at the movement here, now, or the dial, I should say. The dial is actually really special because, first of all, it's an open work dial or a skeleton dial where you can see everything, all the bridges and everything and gears. And not only can you see them, they have this really cool color to it. I've never seen another open work with all these cool colors on it. And to add to that, I mean, you can see the purple gear in the back, all the other gears, the second hand, all these have gears and bridges and everything. And they did a really nice job of doing that, okay? And as I said, that's a pretty cool way to display the dial. Okay, let's move on here. Look at the back, which is the movement. They actually put, the star. You might have thought, oh, what is this star thing, So, again, kind of out of this world. They made their rotor and with a star in the back. I think it's a cool design touch. Not only everybody does a rotor just half semicircular. They do it semicircular, yes, because you need that rotor to move around to wind the barrel or the mainspring, but you still have this star emblem on it. So I think this thing is pretty cool. And yeah, it has, what's interesting though, this watch has a frequency. Not many people know about this, but normally the frequency is around 27,000. This one has a frequency of 36,000. That means it just beats a lot faster. It's a lot smoother, the second hand, than a normal watch is. And it has a power reserve of 55 hours and it's water resistance to 10 meters. So it's pretty nice. Okay. And what else can we say about it? Okay, I guess that's about it, huh? Let's look at the bracelet here. Also done in nice ceramic, which actually is pretty cool. You can actually remove the bracelet by pressing these two little buttons here. So they also did not only a nice integrated bracelet, but they also made it able to be taken off. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this watch on my wrist and give you my thoughts. I'm a big fan of this watch. I cannot say I'm a huge fan of the Zenith. They make cool watches at a reasonable price. But this one definitely is the coolest of them all. If I were to personally get one, I would ask for this one. I actually did ask my, the AD around here if they could get one, but they were all sold out. So I had to buy it on the gray market. And if I were to buy it on the gray market, I would go to jazztime.com. So check us out there to buy this watch, and hope to talk to you soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.